Hello everyone and welcome to another 2-Minute Tuesday. I always have two tools with me that I will show you today, and I have them always with me when I'm on a weekend ride or on longer road trips. So let's have a look what's inside this box. It's quite small and compact. This tool from Vera has 39 pieces and such a small form factor. It's very flat, you can put it everywhere in your bag. And these are the most essential tools that you need for your motorcycle. Torques, a flathead, hex keys, some Phillips heads and one adapter here if you are using the sockets. Then you have these nuts here from 5.5 to 13. On the top a slider, and then you can take out a very small ratchet. And this small ratchet here, super small but very, very strong. And another small tool here, just in case you don't want to use the ratchet. It's magnetic. You see it will slide inside. You hear the click. And sometimes you need a longer extension. That's why I bought this one here. You can see it's much longer than the other one, just in case your screw is on a place where you need a longer extension. In the case you need a little bit more force, you can put your ratchet inside the holder again, and then you can use the whole tool as a handle for the ratchet to get a little bit more force on it. The price of this Vera ToolCheck Plus is 64 euros at the moment. This lasts forever, and I can absolutely recommend it. The second thing I always take with me is this Vera Hex Plus, also a very high quality set. Sometimes you need a standard Allen key. This hex set gives you 9 different key sizes, and they are covered in a plastic sleeve. And this is very helpful because very often you are in tight spaces, and if you are using a full metal Allen key, then sometimes you damage plastic parts or scratch something. The links to these tools are down in the video description, just in case you are interested. I can absolutely recommend both of them. Last forever and can save your ride. I hope this small tip was helpful. If you're riding, ride safe. I see you next Tuesday. And cheers.